How to fix Windows 11 not detecting the keyboard issue. 1. Basic tips are, disconnect then reconnect your keyboard. Connecting your device to another port. 2. For wired keyboards users, check if the USB ports are disabled by entering BIOS. Refer to the IMG below. 3. Run Keyboard Troubleshooter. 4. Disable Fast Startup. 5. Update keyboard driver and other device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. For laptop users, remove and reinstall your battery. 7. Reset Windows 11.